It doesn't rain much in southwest Texas. Del Rio, home to Laughlin Air Force Base, sees about half of the national average. But when it does rain, look out. For a place that doesn't get much rain, Laughlin's flight line sure does seem to flood a lot, most notably in 1998, and as recent as 2018.
A civilian employee of the base showed me the pictures of the planes that looked like it was in a bathtub. And I said, that's outrageous. And how long has this been going on? A couple of decades. Why hasn't anybody fixed it? We don't know, right? And so this literally became the first project my office worked on.
The November 23rd groundbreaking marks the beginning of the end to this problem.
It's been years in the making, and here we are today. It's the second of 3 projects. It's really the one that will keep us from having Lake Laughlin. And we're hoping, maybe even as early as next April. This project really is about ensuring that we can continue to do this regardless of the rains or severe weather that we have here at Laughlin Air Force Base.
Because this is the premier training facility in the United States of America for our Air Force. Since the end of World War II, the reason the United States of America has been an exceptional nation is because we have superior air power.